Take a deep breath. My sense of...
Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, la, do. Hello, my name is Letty McLeod, founder and owner of the Organic Cleaning Machine, also known as OCM. OCM has been the primary cleaning service in the Bloomington, Normal, Illinois for the 20 plus years. And now, for the past 20 plus OCM has been the primary cleaning service area. No. Has been the best, the awesome, the greatest, the unique, the fabulous. OCM has been the greatest cleaning service in the Bloomington, Normal, Illinois area for the past 20 plus years. And now we are officially on YouTube.
For those of you who may not know me.
For those of you that may not know me. For those who may not know me, my name is Letty McLeod. I founded OCM 20 plus years ago. And now we are cleaning residential, commercial, new constructions as often as our clients need it. For the many years, many of our clients have asking us if we are on YouTube. The answer has been no. And now we are officially announcing and launching our new YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. My crew and I, we're going to share with you 20 years cleaning of experience, where you will learn how to tackle the most stubborn cleaning areas of your business or offices.
Tu cara de fuchi.
La cagué.
La cagué. La cagué.
My team and I, we're going to share with you 20 plus years of experience of cleaning at your home or offices. We're going to show you how to tackle the more stubborn, disgusting spots in your home. Areas that you probably don't even want to touch, areas that you probably thought that I may never get rid of this spot or this mark or this scratch, whatever it is, your kitchen, your counters, your oven, your microwaves, your inside of your refrigerators, your windows, your glass, any type of floors, you name it, we know how to take care of those. Marble, tile, wood, linoleum, concrete, anything. Just shoot us, bring us the questions. We will help you because this is what we're here for, to be for you, to be your solution. So you don't have to look for any other cleaning services like the people that live in our town. They just always call us because they know we are the best. So chicos y chicas, guys, please comment down below. Send me all the questions regarding your cleaning. I will be here for you right now. I belong to you guys. So everything that you need to know, I will help you with spots, marks, anything. Just send me the questions. Try me. You will be surprised. Remember, this is your channel and we're going to learn and we're going to have fun together. So please subscribe, like, and share.
Okay.
We will do it.
Take 632.